Why is that back chain just spinning? Oh no. I left the fuel pump connected. Y'all, I'm just tearing up my engine. Well, here we are. After all my efforts to replace the chains, guides, and tensioners, tightened everything down to spec, I went to turn the engine over 2 times to see if I was still in time and left the fuel pump camshaft timing tool in. So I'm gonna pull the engine now to make sure I can get everything right. Well, it's been 2 or 3 days since we left off and we're ready to pull the engine. I got all the bell housing bolts, I believe, out. The picture showed 12, but there should be 11 bolts according to the book too. It's kind of confusing. And I got the flex plate bolts out, I believe. It's kind of hard to distinguish between the ones you're supposed to take out and the ones that should stay in. So I might have to take out a couple more and just have to reapply the flex plate. But we're ready to start pulling the engine. And man, was this not fun at all. And we're going to try and see if I missed anything on the flex plate. I wish I could show you guys this, but I barely have enough room to do what I'm doing here. Bolt missing. It's good, I took it out. We got to turn the engine over. That's it, and I go look. Every little piece of a turn goes so far. This thing feels free to me. My whole transmission is moving with me. The engine just came off, y'all. The engine just came off the transmission, y'all. Pull that out. The engine is off. The engine is off. I repeat, the engine is freaking off. Oh,
Daddy, are you okay?
I did it. I got the engine off, y'all. Logan, I got the engine off.
You're done fixing the car now?
No, I got the engine separated from the car. Now I have to take a couple little of these wires off, and I'm gonna pull the engine out.
Great, Dad.
Huh?
Great.
Thank you.
How many days have you been working on this car?
All summer, baby. Breaker bar. Where's my breaker bar? I got it. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the engine all the way out. I do have it separated from the transmission, but I am stuck only on what I believe to be this fuel line at the back by the firewall. I can't seem to get this easy clip out. I gotta figure out some sort of way to get that. If you know, please let me know in the comments.
Keys is still on the ground.
All right, y'all, we got the wonderful help of Logan today. She's going to do this.
Hi guys, it's me again.
Okay, you're gonna pump it. You gotta pull with 2 hands down. You see how it lifts it up when you pump it? So I'm gonna tell you when, and I'm gonna tell you when to stop, and we're just gonna take it easy, okay?
Okay. It's like a steering wheel.
Stop playing on it. I don't want this thing to just drop out of nowhere on me.
Okay. Whoa. Wow. Now,
Yeah,
I can push it down.
come on.
Trying.
Okay, first look at, now try. All the way at the end. Come over here. right, stop. Something hit. Something hit. Something hit.
Let me do. Let me do.
Try putting your elbow up.
Wait, what?
Come over here. Face this way. No, face this way. Now push. 2 hands.
I did already push.
Okay, try with 2 hands. See if you can pull it down with 2 hands. Okay, hold on.
Na 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 na. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Ooh, it's so hard. Why is that so hard?
It's hard. You got to do like this. Pull it down and it lifts it up. And it cranes it up. I'll tell you when to go. Gotta have muscles. Now pull down. 2 hands. Grab here in the handle. Hold on. Okay. Thank you, buddy. Got it. What's wrong? That's a fly. That was a fly. Look, it's still on the back of the car. That's a fly. You want to go in the house? Okay, go put your worm down. No, go put your dirt down. I'm going to take you in the house so you don't get stung. You bringing that in the house? The bee was on the trash can and he was 3 feet away from it. But I don't blame him. I don't like bees that much either. Okay, this should be the whole wiring harness off, detached. Nothing is connecting the car. Get my thumbnail. I gotta get a better one. What you think, babe? I got the engine out. This is crazy, right?
This is crazy.
So I'm gonna take my chains back off, and then I gotta get this chain at the bottom. I gotta flip the engine over, take the bottom of the engine off.
This boy done took a damn.
Yeah, we got slack here. I have to figure out why. All right, let's get this drain plug off. Ooh, water in the engine from sitting in all the rain. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. I'm gonna have so much rust in there. Think you're doing something right. All right, it's the air compressor. Let's see if there's any more junk in the engine. I hear it. I've wanted to be able to flip an engine upside down for so long. This is my first time using an engine stand, any of that. Again, I gotta remind y'all, I'm not trained in this. My dad used to do this, so I've seen tiny little bits of this. Not on no Range Rover, on BMWs, Mercedes, I've seen him do this with, and then like Nissans and smaller stuff. I can't get it to come back. Alrighty. Still more coolant. All right, I don't have the right handles. Dude that sold me this got me because he didn't give me the handles with it, and I was too hype about getting it to notice. But we make do. I don't want this turn anymore. Yeah, that's not getting flipped over no time soon. That was actually very crazy. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, I see. That bolt won't let it. Nuts is in the way. Still more coolant coming out of this engine. Let's lock her down. In order to get the oil pan off, I've got to get an E14 socket to take the flex plate off. Once I get that from the store, I'll be back and we'll start up next week. But for now, if you've made it this far, please consider dropping a subscribe and a like and a comment. That really helps push this out to other people, and it means the world to me that you've watched this far in this video. So thanks for rocking with me, and stay tuned for the next video.